What have we been up to this week? Welcome back to Tink's Garage. We've been very busy. Yes, the dolly trolley is empty because we have the engine crane. We've got the motor for the bumper car on an engine stand so that we can investigate exhaust pipes and things like that. Talking of which, the chassis is on its way. We've been trying to fire up this baby, but she just doesn't want to go. And the Quacker has had to take somewhat of a back seat. And the Stratos is still under wraps. Car show next week though. Thanks for tuning in again. If you haven't already subscribed, do give the video the thumbs up and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.